How to delete all photos from Google Photos permanently. Hello everyone, welcome to his channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Photos application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, as you're logged into your account, what you can simply do is make a long press on one of the images or the picture and simply select all, or you can simply tap on three dotted lines and you can stack similar photos. You can choose the layout for easier access. Then you can just simply select on all the pictures over here and simply tap on trash over here, and you'll be able to send it to the trash over here by tapping on allow. So when you put any pictures into trash, for example, let me show you over here. So let me show you through the trash section over here. So let's wait until it loads over here. So all you need to do is you'll have to remove the pictures from the trash as well. So let's go and tap on the collections over here and simply let's scroll and tap on the trash option at the top of the screen. Here simply make a long press, tap on select all over here. So you can just do that and tap on delete and it will be deleted permanently. So that's the basic process over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.